All right, my little guy, my 5-year-old here, put a pencil, can you see that, right through the wall? So I'm going to teach him how to patch it up, and you might learn something as well. So let's go ahead and get started. You don't remember what you did?
In case it drips down.
What made that right there, buddy?
I have no idea.
Well, it's like a perfect size for what? Did you poke something in there?
No.
What was it?
I don't really remember.
Pencil? Well, guess what?
I think it's a pencil.
You're fixing it, child.
By myself?
Yep. So let me help you. This is called spackling.
What happens if you touch it?
Don't touch it.
Why?
You don't need to put your finger in it. It's just not good for you. It's probably fine, but we don't want to.
It looks like ice
So,
cream.
yep. So let me show you what we're going to do, okay?
Okay.
We're going to take a little bit like this. Okay? And we're going to go like this. And we're going to put it in the hole. Okay? You want to try?
Is it like a
Let me get some of
healing
the...
project?
Hmm?
Is it like a healing project?
A healing project?
Yeah, to heal walls.
Yep, we're healing walls. You got it. Let me get some good stuff right here. All right, there you go. You want to try?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just kind of scrape it on there. Kind of smush it in the hole and scrape it down. Hey, not bad. Yep. Now smooth it out. Mm-hmm. Looking good.
I got it right in the hole.
Kinda. Not really, but that's okay. That was fun. So what if I helped you out a little bit? So watch what we're gonna do here. Take a little bit and go like that. We smush it in sideways and smooth it out. Okay. You wanna try to do it?
I can't.
Here.
Why can't we touch it?
Well, it's not to touch. Okay. Try to smooth it out. Oh yeah, I like that. You kind of press it on there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try? Press it and then scrape it. There you go. It's pretty good. Right?
All night I have to look at this.
Look at you. Fixing
More.
the problem. Oh, you want more, huh? I don't know. Ooh, that went down there. Hopefully the dog doesn't get it. All right, so check this out. We're gonna build it up a little bit higher. Okay. This is kind of dried out, but it works. A little bit higher, because we're gonna come back and sand that down. Okay. So we're gonna let it dry.
We're gonna put sand on it?
What?
We're gonna put sand on it?
Well, not actual sand, no. Actually, we're gonna wipe it off with a wet washcloth, but it has to dry first. All right, high five. Let's wait for it to dry, okay?
Is it food?
No, but you have to rinse it off. Because guess what you did? You made the hole, so you have to fix it from start to finish. So you can kind of scrub it like that a little bit.
With soap? Can I do it with soap?
You can put some soap on there, why not?
To help it get off a little bit though.
Yep. Now it's coming on your hand. See that? Look.
Mm-hmm.
So keep it under the water so it all rinses off. We clean our tools up, don't we, after we use them? Are you a tool guy?
Sometimes I like it to do cold because otherwise it will get my hand like really
Okay, flip it over.
hot.
Get that side too. What is this tool called, do you know?
No.
It's actually called a paint scraper.
What?
Yeah.
And is that a type of paint?
Well, you can
Like
scrape
yours?
away paint. See, it has a flat blade like that. Yeah, but we can also use it to apply caulking or spackling. Caulking, maybe. Definitely spackling, right? All right, let's go put that back where it belongs. Let's go, Mr. Cambridge.
Where does it belong?
He's never gone to Cambridge. Neither have I. Why do you have a Cambridge shirt? Are you super smart? Oh, an academic.
Where does it go?
In the pantry? You think the tool goes in the pantry?
Yes.
No, goof. Where's it go?
In that.
Where?
Oh.
In the tool bench.
Where's the tool bench?
You can put it right there. Look at this mess. Okay. Touch it. Is it? Scrap. Kind of go like that. Is it dry?
Yeah, it's dry.
Okay. So I've got a wet washcloth and you just scrub all that off smoothly. The wet part. The wet part. See the wet part right there? Yep. So you just kind of go like that. Smoothly wash it off. What about right down there? Don't touch where the hole was. Scrub.
I accidentally got it a little bit wet, the hole.
That's okay. So we apply a little bit of pressure. We can do some circles like that. And
There's still a little bit wet in there, but that's okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So we didn't use sandpaper because we don't want to take the bumps off of the wall. That's hard to retexture. So then we can put a little bit of paint on that and we'll call it good. What do you think? You like that? Okay. Stir it. Go ahead. Stir, buddy. Fast. Go ahead and explain. What are we doing? Stop. Tell me what you're going to do first.
We're gonna dip this a little bit, not so much because there's a little hole right there.
Okay.
And I'm supposed to face it up so it doesn't drip down.
Are we going to drip it on the carpet?
No,
Why not?
because then it will be bad.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Go ahead.
And it will be hard to fix it.
Are you ready? Okay, just a little bit, remember? Ooh, yeah, I like that. Now, is it going to drip on the carpet?
No.
Check all sides. Okay, go ahead, mister. Be careful you don't drop it on. We're going to go...
Is it okay if it's on the wood?
No, probably not. We just want to keep it on the wall. Yep, nice. Small circles. Get all the white. Look at that focus. Mr. DIY.
Is that
A
good?
little bit of white right there. Mm-hmm. Yep. And I'm going to fan it out just a little bit. Fanning it out makes it, because sometimes the paint on the walls fades.
What does fades mean?
Well, the sun will change the color here and make it different from the paint that we just put on it, right? So we can fan it out a little bit and that helps the color transition.
But the middle is a little bit light. The middle. It's a little bit light.
Yeah, we'll let that dry if we need another coat.
The hole is a little bit light, but the rest fine.
All right, we'll let that dry and see if we need another coat. If not, we'll call it good. So we gotta clean up. Carefully take that and go throw it away.
We'll face it up so it doesn't drip again.
Yep, that can go in the garbage. And then, here you go. Here's our tool for we were stirring. Now where does that go, do you think? Well, we need to clean it off. See the tip? Every good DIYer takes care of his tools. So how are we going to clean it off? Yeah, you can bring it to the sink. Go ahead.
I'll face it up like a sword.
Okay, put it down there. Don't touch the toothbrushes or anything. Okay, and actually, Daddy's going to help you with this because you don't need to touch the paint. So see how it kind of comes off?
When it's wet, it's not.
This is called a water-based paint, right?
What's a water-based
It means it comes off in water. If it were oil-based, you don't want to touch it. It'd be super gross and messy. Can you turn it for me? Rotate it? Uh-huh. And we just try to get a little bit. Turn it again. There we go. All right, you can keep it right there to dry. Leave it right there. Okay, now let's go put the lid back on the paint, because we can't have that drying out. This has lasted 7 years. This has lasted 7 years. Put the cap back on.
Whoa.
We have a little bit left.
That is so long. That is so long.
Good job, man. You're like a little contractor around here. How much do you charge per hour? $100?
Yes.
Maybe more?
$100, yeah.
All right, can you lift it and bring it to the top of the stairs?
Oh, jeez.
Go over there.
So heavy.
Looking good.
So
Holy
heavy.
cow. Valuable life skills. All right, I'll take it from here. Stop. Good work. High five, bud. Whoop-a-cha!